Hi everyone, welcome to my latest unboxing video of these unbranded carbon clinchers from Aliexpress. The seller was Carbon Speed Cycles, and what I ordered was their new SAT technology, which are a tubeless design, and what they do and what they offer is a little bit more strength in the wheel because they don't actually drill any holes into the outer carbon portion of the rim, and what that allows it to be is stronger. And again, I can run tubeless wheels if I want to. For now, I'm going to run my current clinchers. I'm just going to swap them over to these wheels. What else did I order? They're 50mm, 25mm wide, and they have Novatec 291 hubs. So anyway, let's dive in. Let's see what they have, and let's see what's inside. First off, I will note that this is extremely well packed. There wasn't any damage to the outside of the box. As you can see, it is really heavy duty cardboard that was shipped in. So yeah, that's good. So opening it up, you can see inside I got some wheels. Obviously that's good, and hopefully there's some things. They normally include brake pads, skewers, and extra spokes. And I actually did order valve extenders, and hopefully that's all in here. We're going to find out. So opening up the first one there, as you can see, very well packaged. There's the second wheel. Oh, and there's everything as attached right there. So let's see what we have inside here. As mentioned, we have a couple of brake pads, front and rear for the carbon. It's a full carbon rim I ordered, so these should be the Basalt brake pads. I've got my valve extenders. I ordered 2 sets. They were 50mm long or 60mm long, I can't remember. Ordered 2 sets. They were only like $4 Canadian per set, so I figured I needed some, so why not order them and have them. And I've got looks like three extra spokes there, and 2 quick release Novatec branded skewers. So now that that's out of the way, let's see what we have here for the wheels themselves. So these were again 50mm unbranded. I ordered the UD matte finish, which they've arrived as expected, and as I mentioned, you can see in this first wheel there that they do not have any holes drilled into this rim. Besides, I did see one obviously for the tube valve to go through, but otherwise a little bit of a mark on one of them there. I don't know if you can pick that up in the it's a little bit of a mark, but otherwise they look pretty good. They are a super thick wheel there, and this is obviously the front wheel. Any other marks? Oh, looks not too bad. Let me see where that mark went, actually. I mean, it was just something rubbed on there because I don't even see it on the wheel anymore. Oh, there it is. And just a little bit of a slight wheel imperfection. Not wheel imperfection, but just something rubbed on there. I don't know if you can see that right about there. Anyway, let's check out the other wheel. So these were ordered with the Novatec 291, a bit of an upgraded hub with Shimano compatibility, because that's all I run. And there is our second wheel. So it looks, this one looks pretty good. UD matte finish, looks awesome. It's clean. Nothing to it, which I really like. Let's see, a 10-speed spacer there. Let's give it a quick spin. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, so there you go. That is their new SAT special assembly technology wheel. I'm really excited to see how these roll, and there you go. That's unboxing my new 50mm unbranded Chinese carbon clincher tubeless wheels. Have any questions? Leave a comment below and I will give my best to answer your question. And I will give these a ride and let you know how they perform. Thanks for watching.